Meet the future of cleaning with ECOVACS brand new ultra-thin robot, DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni. Designed just 81 millimeters thin, T50 glides effortlessly under furniture and into lower spaces for a complete and agile clean every time. The upgraded second-generation TrueEdge technology features an extendable side brush and a continuously variable mop extender, leaving no corner and edge untouched, and achieving the cleaning coverage up to 100% with 1 millimeter cleaning distance. Equipped with upgraded zero-tangle technology, the unique triple V-shaped roller brush eliminates hair entanglement, achieving a tangling rate as low as 0%. All the power you need packed into the T50. Now even better with the minimal Omni station. It integrates automatic self-cleaning with hot water for both the base bottom and mopping pads. Okay, Eco, clean the living room. And there's more. Okay, I am coming. More intelligent. More powerful. More immediate. And more precise. The new DEEBOT brings you an extremely powerful cleaning performance. DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni. Surprisingly thin, extremely powerful.